Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and today we're going to be talking about cleaning your Swisstrax as well as removing your tiles to do a deeper clean. The first thing that you really want to do when you're cleaning, if you don't have like a big spill of oil or something like that, is vacuum. So we really like the Flex vacuum. It works really well. You could use, shop vac or anything else, but the floor attachment on this is awesome for Swisstrax. I'm going to shut this on real quick, turn this on. So the nice thing about Swisstrax with the ribs and the tiles is it actually works really well to use a floor attachment on your vacuum, and you can suck up all the debris and rocks and dirt and leaves and stuff like that pretty easily. The next thing we want to talk about is actually removing an individual tile if you spill something and need to clean up. So we've got a special tool for this. You could use a screwdriver or a pick tool or something like that, but the tile popper tool that we have manufactured, so it's got a little knob on the end that allows you to fit it inside the Swisstrax and pull up. So you want to find your corner that has pegs, so that way you can pull up, and then you're able to just unsnap your tile like so. And you can see there's still some larger debris under here that didn't get vacuumed up, but this allows you to clean that up further. Or if you had a spill of some oil, now you could wipe that up and get it cleaned up, and just put your tile back in. Nice and easy. So for deeper cleaning on your Swisstrax, a pressure washer usually works best. And there's a couple of different ways we can do it. We can actually just pressure wash the tiles in here, or we can pull out large sections and pull it out into your driveway and do it out there as well, which then allows you to clean deeper underneath the tiles and have everything out of the room. So let's show that. So if you want to do a deeper clean, or if you're in an area, up north or something where you get a lot of salt and snow and that sort of thing, it might make sense to actually pull out sections of tiles, once a year, once a season, something like that. So I'm going to show you now how we can pull out actually just an entire section of tiles into the driveway, pressure wash it off, scrub it down if you want to with some APC, and then you can actually clean the floor underneath. So start here at the corner, pull up, and I'm just going to do a small section for now, but you can do a pretty large area. All right, so I'm going to use some Koch-Chemie APC. This is the Green Star diluted, I believe 4:1, so it's pretty strong. You can spray this on the tile and brush it down if you want to, if you've got like a floor brush or something like that to do a deep cleaning. Our tile is pretty clean, so what I'm going to do is just spray it with the all-purpose cleaner, let it sit for a second, and then I'm just going to pressure wash it off. So now that you have the tiles out of the garage, whether you have a big garage or a big shop or a small space, you can pull out whatever size section you want. Now we can pressure wash, we can mop, we can sweep, all that stuff to get this even more thoroughly cleaned. All right, now that we're putting the tiles back together here, you can really see how easy it is to get, you know, your floor back to pretty clean. Whether you're gonna do a really in-depth cleaning or just something super quick and easy with the vacuum, you know, using like the Flex vacuum or something like that, definitely grab a tile popper from the store if you don't already have one. Like, it makes everything so much easier with pulling out tiles and cleaning and stuff like that. If you need any help with anything, reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com, or if you want us to help you design your floor or your entire garage, design@obsessedgarage.com, and we'll get you all sorted out.